Hello, guys, welcome back. And today's episode will be showing you how to propagate this snake plant by root division. So, madaming ways para mag-propagate ng snake plant. We need alcohol to disinfect the wound where we'll be cutting the bulb. And make sure the pop has plenty of roots before separating from the mother plant. And we will disinfect the knife to be sure that no bacteria or no um, insects will go and kill the plant. So we have to find the bulb center to make sure that we get two full plants and walang mamamatay na leaves. Yan. So there you go. Na-separate na natin the mother from the baby. Now we will disinfect the wound para hindi maging cause to kill the newly propagated top and the mother plant as well. That mother plant has a little baby on the side and we want to keep it kasi very little pa yung baby. So now we will pot them separately. We'll be mixing loam soil and stones for good water drainage. Yan, make sure na talagang well draining para ayaw kasi ng Sansevieria ng nasa stock up ang water. Yun yung white doon sa baba, yun yung baby. Hihintayin natin yung lumaki ulit. So, we can separate. But right now, hindi pa siya pwedeng i-separate as it is. We fill the pot with the dirt. It's a mixture of loam soil and small stones for well draining pot. For a well draining pot. Ayan. Yung soil aeration ay importante din kaya may stones. So now we pot the small one. And then we add vermicast as organic fertilizer. We open a bag and just put a handful or two to the mother plant as well as to the baby plant. So there you go, basically how we do root separation to the Sansevieria. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned, and I want to share more of these kinds of videos in the next one. Bye! Please follow Diane's Garden or this account. Bye-bye. Thanks.